Samsung, proud sponsor of TechBusters.
So this week we've got a very, very interesting review. Now, up in the Highveld in Johannesburg, we've got lots of these electrical thunderstorms happening in summertime. And the scariest thing is sometimes you're not at home, but when you are at home and you hear the lightning around you, you run to your telephone line, you disconnect the telephone line, because as soon as lightning strikes, even if it's not near your house, it could be a distance away, that electricity goes, that surge goes through the telephone line, goes through your modem, can destroy your router, can destroy your modem, and it's quite frustrating. You know, it's amazing how many people lose their modems and even their computers because the storms and the surge from lightning is so huge that it can actually destroy quite a few things. So this is why I found this little gadget very, very interesting. It's called the Astraphobe DSL. And essentially all you do is you plug your telephone line in on the one side and it goes out to the other side to your telephone and to your modem. And this basically just listens out for lightning and electrical variances on your line, even if a storm is as far as 40 kilometers away. What it does is it disconnects your line from the network, it does this automatically, and it reconnects you once it's safe to reconnect you, and once it's safe that there's no electricity and there's no risk of any damage to your modem and to your internet connection at home. So I think this is a very useful device. It costs 1,400 Rand. It's going to be available at various retailers, but very, very clever device. Got all sorts of technology built in, and you can even get a log that basically tells you what's going on, when was the last thing. But the great thing about this is if you're not at home and there's a massive thunderstorm, it will do this automatically in the background.
I think it's fantastic.
It's clever, eh?
You know, I've got surge protection on all the plugs. I've got, points at, but the point of weakness is the phone line.
Exactly.
And for $1,500, I mean, it's just a perfect insurance policy. Yeah, I mean, I think it's the question is, for how much longer will we use phone lines? Because it seems to be that fiber's taking off.
Well, I think we've still got a while to go. But I mean, do you disconnect your phone line when you hear a big thunderstorm happening around you?
I do not, but then I don't have a phone line anymore.
Well, you see, what I've done is I've got this other little box that kind of everything plugs into, which is my backup power as well, and my UPS can handle a phone line as well. But I'm certainly going to give this one a try. I'm going to put this throughout the whole summer and see what happens, because I lost 2 modems last summer just from a surge in electricity surge. So
you had me at UPS.
I had you, eh? What did I say it wrong? UPS, unprotected power supply.
Uninterrupted power supply, but no, you had me at UPS. You know? I like a man who's prepared.
Oh, Mr. Astraphobe, leave me alone. Well, listen, I can't believe the show's ended already.
Indeed.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Exactly. And that's where we'll leave it for tonight. Remember to keep your tweets coming in. Let us know what you want to see in the show.